My name is Georgia Cressman, and I intern for a company called Eleish Breems, which is a home Scandinavian wear store on the island of Nantucket. And my day-to-day was working on the sales floor with customers, going to our storage unit to update inventory, and helping designers with questions regarding decorating homes. And I networked and ultimately got my internship because of a connection that I made working on Nantucket last summer. And what I love the most was that this internship really gave me a creative outlet, and I also love the interpersonal connection on a day-to-day basis. And I learned the importance of merchandising when it came to a store, the importance of organization when running a business, and how far kindness really does get you in terms of business. And a tip I would give to future interns is to ask a lot of questions so that you can get the most out of your internship experience. And I loved my internship this summer.